And so next we're going to create another sheet, but this one will be on an A2 title block. So to create that, we'll again go to our sheet, new. So in the title box, we only have the A1 loaded in. So we need to go to load, which will open up our library. We'll go down to the end where we have title blocks. And there we have A0 to A4. We want to use the A2, press open and OK. So that now is our A2 sheet. I'm going to change the title to Door and Window Legend. And again, you'll see the drawing number has been updated. The project remains as office block and the client is Autodesk. So what we're going to bring onto this drawing will be our door and window legend. Again, we need to do some adjustments to this. What I'm going to do is completely remove the title itself from this image. So if I select the view, come to the type properties, and there we have no title. So I'll just remove that. So now I just need to double click to go back inside. And now I'm back into the view. So now I can adjust the position of everything. So next what I'm going to do is going to drop in my door and window schedule. So we go to our schedule heading, expand that out, and we'll drop in our door schedule and our window schedule. So again, we need to do some adjustments to the schedule. So if you just click the schedule once, we have our little grips here. And you'll notice that because of the text, it's creating a double space or a double line. So if you just expand out the grip until it reduces down like so. Sounds okay. And same for the window. Then again, just so position everything neatly. And that is our door and window schedule.